Stop, thief! Don't run away! No, 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 no! Stop! Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad bin Muhammad Fadil Fahmi and I'm year 5 pupil from Sekolah Kebangsaan Bersera located in Kuantan, Pahang. My school code is CBA 4003. Today I will be reviewing one of my favorite storybooks entitled The Tale of Peter Rabbit. The author of this book is Beatrix Potter. This book was published by Frederick Warne & Co. This book contains 29 pages. I really like Peter Great Escape. It's a fun story about Peter Rabbit, who is always been getting into trouble. In this book, he tries to run away from Mr. McGregor because he's been stealing vegetables from his garden. Peter is so brave and sneaky, and I love how he runs really fast to escape. I was kinda worried for him when Mr. McGregor chased him. The pictures in the book are so pretty, and I like looking at all the little details in the drawing. The garden looks really nice, and I think I would like to explore it if I was there with Peter. The rabbits and the flower look so real. Peter is funny because sometimes he doesn't always listen when he's told what to do, and sometimes he gets caught. I think it's funny when he gets caught because but then he always finds a way to get away. The story is easy to understand and it's exciting. I think other children will like it too. I will read this book again because I want to see what happens to Peter next time. The moral is always listen to your parents or you might end up in trouble like Peter. To conclude, this book is really perfect book and I will recommend everyone to read this book. Hope to see you again in another book review. Bye everyone.